In this section, I want to talk to you about the 3 keys to success in starting an art teaching business. I've found, having started my own business and gone through trials and tribulations and struggles, and then eventually breaking through to success, and also then teaching others around the world to start their own art teaching business through our certification program, I found that there are really 3 main keys for success in the art teaching business. Key number 1 is you. Obviously success in anything in your life is going to come down to you. So we'll talk about you in the next video. Key number 2 is the method that you use to build your art school around. And I mentioned that I created what I called the Moore method of painting. I'll talk more about that, but what I'll talk about is how important it is to have a methodology that you use in order to help your students get what they want, which is a positive outcome right from the art classes that they take. Key number 3 is marketing. This is something that a lot of artists don't want to even talk about or even think about, but it's an important part of being in business. So when you start an art teaching business, marketing is the thing that will make or break you. If you don't get it right, you won't attract students. If you don't attract students, you'll run out of money and you'll be out of business. So marketing is the king when it comes to the overall success of your business. You need to build a marketing system and a strategy around marketing to ensure that you attract enough students to your art classes. So we'll talk about that. Now, this is something that a lot of art certification programs or classes on teaching you to become an art teacher, they never talk about, mainly because the people teaching those courses haven't really built an art teaching business themselves, and they don't really understand the marketing, what works and what doesn't. It's something I've had to invest a lot of time and energy and focus on, and have got it down to quite a refined system, which I'll share with you. So let's get into the next video. We'll talk about key number 1, which is you.